Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to control Samsung TV with Alexa. Let's go. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install SmartThings app. Open SmartThings app. Devices. Add TV. Add your TV to the SmartThings app. Open Alexa app. Devices. Add TV. Link your SmartThings account to Alexa. After that, your TV will be added to Alexa. That's it. Now you know how to control Samsung TV with Alexa. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.